Hello students. Now today I am going to start the term metaphysical poetry and the main points in a very short way. Now I should start with the definition of the metaphysical poetry. The metaphysical school of poets. The term metaphysical was first used by Dr. Johnson. Johnson borrowed it from Dryden's phrase about done. He affects the metaphysics. John Donne, George Herbert, Crashaw, Henry Vaughan, Abraham Cowley, and Andrew Marvell of the 17th century are called the metaphysical poets. Now, I shall begin the characteristics of the metaphysical school. Number 1. Novelty of thought and expression. The metaphysical poets, in Johnson's words, desired to say what had been never said before. They tried to be original in their thoughts, but they were careless of their diction. They played with thoughts as the Elizabethan had played with words. They had subtlety in thoughts. Number 2. Far-fetched images. They used to find similarity between two dissimilar things. The main point is what they used. They used to find similarity between two dissimilar things in metaphysical poetry. Cowley says that loving different women is like traveling different countries, as the some countries are hot and dry, pleasant and unpleasant, so are different women. Number 3, artificiality and hyperbole. These are the basic points and characteristics of metaphysical poetry. In the poetry of the metaphysical poets, there is artificiality of thoughts and hyperbolical expression. Natural grace is often hard to find in metaphysical writing. Number 4, obscurity. T.S. Eliot says that the metaphysical poets, in the expression of ideas and feelings, made themselves difficult to understand. Number 5, learning. Metaphysical verse is laden with the scholarship of its authors. A whole book of knowledge may be prepared for the scholarly references in Donne's or Cowley's poetry. Dr. Johnson made more unfavorable than favorable remarks on the poetry of the metaphysical poets. Johnson says that in metaphysical poetry, what he has said, heterogeneous ideas are yoked together by violence. But T.S. Eliot contradicts Johnson by saying that ideas of various kinds and nature are compelled into unity and harmony by the metaphysical poets in their poetry. Metaphysical poets had remained neglected for a long period, but T.S. Eliot in the 20th century made a revaluation of their poetry. T.S. Eliot has also pointed out that the poetry of the metaphysical poets has more quality. It combines very well the two opposite things. The things are emotion and intellect, passion and logic, seriousness and non-seriousness. Now, students, in a very short way, I have taught you the term metaphysical points. Now, okay, students, bye.